Namaskar, this is Abhishek and you are watching Rebel News India. Let's have a look on the top headline of the day.
Indian Railways said over 80,000 passengers have booked ticket worth over rupees 16 crore for the special train so far. Union Minister of Minority Affairs Naqvi said minorities are flourishing in India, dismissing allegations of Islamophobia as an attempt to defame the country. Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has been discharged from AIIMS. Rupees slips 22 paise to 75.95 against US dollar in early trade. The total number of coronavirus cases in Bihar reached 761. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar wants lockdown extension till May end. Plasma therapy trial takes off at AIIMS Patna. LJP Chief Chirag Paswan wrote a letter to Bihar CM Nitish Kumar questioning the way the state government is handling the return of migrant workers.
The US Federal Bureau of Investigation and cybersecurity experts believe that the Chinese hackers are trying to steal the research on developing a vaccine against coronavirus, two newspapers reported. Coronavirus symptoms multiply as pandemic deepens. 13,500 British nationals repatriated from India on 58 flights. UK government sets out phased plan to ease virus lockdown.
Copying Ajay Devgan's famous stunt from Phool Aur Kaante landed a Madhya Pradesh cop in trouble. He has paid 5,000 rupee fine. Celebs changed their social media display picture to the Maharashtra Police logo to show gratitude. Crime Patrol famed Safiq Ansari died of cancer. The Afghanistan Cricket Board has announced it will be cutting down the salaries of the coaching staff. Cricketer AB de Villiers said Virat Kohli is the Roger Federer of cricket.
May 12 is observed as International Nurse Day, as it is celebrated to commemorate the Florence Nightingale birthday anniversary. Each year, the International Council of Nurses (ICN) comes up with a theme to honor nurses. For this year, the theme is Nursing the World to Health. It is celebrated worldwide to appreciate the contribution of nurses across the globe as they take care of the ill and weak until they are hale and hearty. Whereas the International Nurse Day signifies the tale about Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. She is the lady with lamp, as she was born on May 12, 1820 in Britain, a nurse by profession who turns into a social reformer with her work. She has contributed a lot to make this profession responsible and salute-worthy. During the time of COVID-19, all the nurses are doing their best to make the patient curing by themselves. Thank you for your tireless work, especially during the time of COVID-19. Happy International Nurse Day.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.